Ingredients required: 1 small teaspoon black pepper, pizza seasoning, and red chili flakes if needed. And Maggi masala provided in the packet is a must. And the two main things required: cleanliness and washed hands. Okay, so let's get started. Now let's add a cup of water.
Till the water gets hot, let's mix the masala.
Add 1 teaspoon black pepper, pizza seasoning, and Maggi masala. Chili flakes also can be added if needed. I added them in my mix, means the masala. Okay, now let's mix the masala. Let's add the Maggi in the boiling water. I broke the Maggi into half pieces because the water was very less. So now let's stir the Maggi. Let's add masala to it now. Okay, so our Maggi is ready. I'm just letting it cook a bit more. The Maggi is ready to eat. Serve hot. Yummy!